Hello, hello, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are good. Today in this video, I will explain you about the Indian parliamentary system. First, I want to explain you that what is the meaning of parliamentary form of government. Parliamentary form of government means when there is power division between two heads of the country. Okay, like the real executive and the nominal head of the country. Real executive in India, which is known as the Prime Minister, and nominal head, which is known as President. In India, we adopted this system from the British rule. Okay, and as we know, the Indian Parliament is an expression of the faith that the people of India have in principles of democracy. And the Parliament in the Indian system has immense powers because as it is the representative of the people, because in India there is democratic system, representatives are elected by the people because India is a republic country and all power lies in the hand of public. Elections to the parliament are held in a similar manner as they are for the state legislature. So kids, one thing I want to told you that in India there is federal structure. So just like central government, there is also state administration. So parliament represents the country. It means the central government. Okay, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Basically, Lok Sabha is known as House of People. Means the member of Lok Sabha are elected by the people of our country, and it is elected once every 5 years. The main function of parliament, or we can say legislature also, to make the laws. Like India has numerous constituencies. Constituencies means area. Okay, area division for the election. So each of these constituencies elects one person to the parliament, and the candidates who contest elections usually belong to different political parties. As we all know, in India there is multi-political party system. And after winning the election, these candidates become member of parliaments, or you can say MPs. And the Indian Parliament, the composition of Indian Parliament is, or you can say, Parliament of India consists of the President, the Rajya Sabha, and the Lok Sabha. So there are 543 elected members in Lok Sabha plus 2 Anglo-Indian members also. For a political party to form the government, they must have a majority of elected MPs, and a majority party should have at least half the number of representatives should be there. One more important thing, the opposition in parliament is formed by all the political parties that oppose the majority party, or sometime it is also known as coalition parties. Coalition government means the groups of different political parties, and the largest amongst these parties is called the opposition party. There is a important role of opposition party in Indian parliamentary system also. If we talk about Rajya Sabha, basically Rajya Sabha's members are the representatives of the state of India. As I told you, in India, according to federal structure, there is state administration for the different states. So the member of Rajya Sabha also has an important role in reviewing or altering the laws initiated by the Lok Sabha. Like a bill different type of bills like money bill, ordinary bills, है ना, constitutional amendment bills. These all bills is required to pass through the Rajya Sabha in order to become a law. So basically, law making is a significant function of parliament, and we will discuss this topic in a live class also. So listen this audio video carefully beta. Thank you.